Australia, with its abundant sunshine, is perfect for solar energy, making it a smart investment for homeowners. When buying solar in 2025, it's crucial to assess your energy needs to determine the right system size. Additionally, ensuring your roof has enough space and receives ample sunlight will maximize power generation. Government incentives and rebates can help reduce upfront costs, making solar more affordable. While the initial investment may seem high, solar panels provide long-term savings on electricity bills. Choosing high-efficiency panels, 20 to 23%, is essential, especially for homes with limited roof space. Although cheaper panels may seem attractive, high-quality options last longer and perform better over time. It's also important to select reputable brands that offer strong warranties, typically 25 years for products and up to 30 years for performance. Beyond financial benefits, solar energy significantly reduces reliance on fossil fuels and helps lower carbon footprints. Aussie Solar Solutions stands out as a trusted provider, offering expert consultation, reliable installations, and high-quality panels, ensuring a smooth transition to solar energy.